What you looking at? I'm over here just chatting away. Why? Because I get paid just to chat. And guess what? You can too. You know how? That's right, guys. Chris Craze here. And today's video, we're talking about how to make money chatting online. Yes, that's right. If you got a cell phone, if you got a laptop, if you got anything that you chat with, because people chat. I know you chat. I chat. You're probably chatting right before you watch this video. But guess what? We're going to talk here about how to make money chatting online, and actually not even just making money, earn a weekly income chatting. Yes, earn a weekly income chatting. You can totally do that. Now, we're talking earning $6 per hour chatting, $10 an hour chatting, even more. Some of these jobs pay up to $30 or $40 an hour just to chat. And we're going to talk about exactly how this is possible, what websites you need to use to be able to do that. And if you stick around to the end, of course, I always got a bonus because I love doing bonuses for all my viewers. Now, if you would do me a huge favor and please hit that subscribe button, the notification bells, the likes, all those bells and whistles. See, I can still whistle. Now, let me say a few things here because I like prefacing things because I want to be accurate and I want to just tell you guys the truth because we don't like fabricating nothing. Who likes fabrication? Unless you're fabricating money. Boom. So now, this is in demand more than ever right now because everybody's working from home. Due to this situation at hand, people are working from home. They want to work from everywhere but the office and around other people. So how does this benefit you? Well, this is great because this is working from home and you could be chatting from home. Now, they did say don't ever chat with strangers, but guess what? If you're on this side of the computer screen and you're actually not meeting them in person and you're getting paid for it, no harm, no foul. Keep it clean. Okay, so normally you'll be able to find links and websites. Now, if you want to search and you want to do this on your own, you can find some sites and do some key terms such as at-home advisor, chat agent, chat support. These are some things that you can Google and you can find them on your own, or you can just watch the rest of this video and I show you exactly how to do that. So you ask how. Now, let me say this. When you go to these websites that I'm going to explain to you normally, or any other website for that fact of a matter, is when you go all the way to the bottom, scroll to the bottom, you normally see careers, or sometimes they put it in their about section at the top. You click about and then you go to careers, and then it has all the details in there about what they're hiring for, what job positions are open, and they do explain a little bit about that in there. Now, what is going to help you? You don't have to do anything here except know how to speak English, know how to type, know how to use the internet, and of course, know how to chat, which I'm sure you do if you know how to type. So what's going to help you get farther ahead in the race, so to say? Bilingual, fast typer, quick learner, and of course, working from home, duh. Who doesn't want to work from home? So working from home, working from anywhere, that's the benefit to this. Now, website number one, is going to be called thechatshop.com. TheChatShop.com. Now, it is a UK-based company. They hire worldwide, so don't let the UK scare you away if you're in the US or if you're anywhere else in the world. And what they're doing is they're offering about $10 an hour or more. 30 to 40 hours a week is what they ideally want you to be committed to. And you're going to be answering questions, going over some technical skills, things like that. This is typically what happens here. You're going to be answering chats. You visited a website. You've wanted to chat with a live agent before. Some of these sites say that they're live. They're not live. But the ones that we're telling you about here, these are live agents because those live agents are going to be you when you apply and you're going to be able to get a job there. So it's not guaranteed. Of course, you got to follow their rules. Just got to preface that and give that advisory. But let's move on to site number two, sitestaff.com, SITESTAFF.com. Not like a staph infection. Don't get that twisted. So sitestaff.com, it's a Colorado company. Part-time shifts. This is great. They got part-time shift work, which is perfect because it's only 4 to 5 hours long. So you're not going to be sitting there all day, You get what I'm saying? 4 to 5 hours long, But they do have a requirement. As you can see here, they want to see people that can type 65 to 75 words a minute. So there are websites or pieces of software that you can go online and you can find out how fast you could type, test yourself, see where you come in at. And of course, if you qualify for that 60 to 75, this site specifically, they want 60 to 75. Now they are hiring within the US. You are going to be an independent contractor. Most of these, you are independent contractors. So keep record of those taxes and those earnings, because otherwise it's going to be a bad situation later on. Whole nother video, whole nother topic. Let's stay on topic here. SiteStaff.com does $10 plus an hour as well. Now, the best one here, and everybody is going to be aware of this because you're aware of this company, but you might not be aware that they are hiring for what's called a at-home advisor. And it's apple.com, because if you're watching this video, you might just be watching it on an Apple device. Boom. So apple.com, if you go on the page here, you scroll all the way down, you can get the careers, and they have at-home advisor. So you do a little bit of scrolling here, work your way down that second page, and you can see here at-home advisor. They actually have other positions available as well, but that's going in and working in the store. I don't think you want to do that. So they offer $15 to $23 an hour. Now, if you know about Apple products at all, an iPhone, an iPad, an iMac, a MacBook Pro, anything with Mac or I or something in it, you know their products. Those are the ones that they're looking for at-home advisors for. Yes, they're at home and you're an advisor. That's what it is. The exact website for the listeners out there are going to be www.apple.com/jobs/us/teams.html. Once you get to that site, you can see all the rest. Now, for the bonus here, because I did say we're going to have a bonus, I actually got 3 of them because I like bonuses. Bonuses are good, always, including money. Now, support.com, bonus number 1, $10 per hour, same as we're talking about here. It's a chat support type of business, and they want people to work at home. Number 2 is Weebly.com, Weebly.com. They are about $17 to $18 an hour. So they're a little bit on the higher end, which probably means that they want a little bit more technical knowledge, specialized agents. They might have some other training, but it doesn't hurt to try. So go ahead, visit that website. They do want 20 hours a week. So make sure that you have 20 hours a week to give up for that, and you'll be able to apply and possibly get hired with them. Now, the best for last. And what that is it's Google the term chat support specialist. When you do that, you're going to see a whole bunch of items come up. You're going to see a couple items here called Upwork. Upwork, we've explained about this in other videos. I have, and it's great. I love Upwork. Fiverr.com as well, freelancer, people per hour, all these sites. Here's a couple more bonuses that we weren't even going to talk about. But you can also put your services on there, and you could put on there the term virtual assistant. So sometimes businesses will disguise the job profile as a virtual assistant because you're doing stuff virtually. Virtually, you're going to be chatting with customers. Now, if you can get in with one of these small businesses, that's best. The bigger businesses, that's even better. The reason why? Because they always have a complete standard operating procedures, or they've been there and they've done that. So questions that come in, questions that get answered, problems with certain features or functions on a website or a product, they have answers for those, and it's seriously like reading a script to the customer. Now, I'm going to drop a dime here and a bomb, but you all know Amazon. If you've ever tried to call in and you've ever tried to talk to their chat support, oh my God, yes. So imagine being on that end, except now you're working in the United States. Those people are getting paid per hour simply as chat support. That's it. All they're doing when you have a question is they're going through a catalog on an internal database and they're answering that question for you. So why can't you do that too? If you can read, if you can type, if you can learn, and if you can speak and type, and I already said that, but if you could type, that is what matters, and you're able to do this. And the best part, like we said about all of this, is you could do it from home. That's the whole purpose here. So again, leave a comment below. Let me know what website you like out of this list. If you have any others, help out the community. And make sure you hit that subscribe button, notification bell, stay tuned, because I'm always releasing new videos on how to make money online and passive income, how to make money online, how to make money by chatting online, which is this video, and earning weekly income chatting. Why wouldn't you want to do that? You're chatting with your friends. How much of that screen time have you had just chatting? What if you monetized all that? Go back, do that equation, and I guarantee you that it's some loot, okay? So make sure you do this. $6 an hour chatting, $10 an hour chatting. We talked about 15 to 23 an hour, and we even talked about 17, 18 an hour. So regardless of what it is, you can get money chatting online. I'm Chris Craze. Until next time, boom, we're out.